Hi, Saturday again. You know what? My daughter told me she's craving for a favorite green canyon pancake. But the restaurants nearby is all closed. What can we do? I don't know how to make the dough. Well, I woke up with a brilliant idea. See, I can use my bread machine to make the pancake dough. Let's give it a try. Put 500-gram all-purpose flour in the pan. Add 350-gram water. And then press the dough button, and I hope it's going to do all the hard work for me. I got this recipe online, but it was not using a bread machine. So I'm not sure whether it's gonna work or not. Look, only in 5 minutes, the dough is like this. When it's making the dough, I'm gonna cut some green onions. When the dough is ready, take it out. My daughter is kneading it right now, and then cut it into 3 pieces. Hey, who's gonna get the big piece? Now you're gonna lay out the dough. Put some flour under it if it's too sticky. And then put some salt on top of the dough. And then press it. Now you can add some oil. Make sure the oil covers the whole surface and sprinkle the green onion on top of it. Well, the next step is to roll it up like this. And then twist it and fold it up. Cover it with a wet paper towel. Let it sit for 20 minutes. When the pancake is ready, put some oil on top of the surface because we will flatten the pancake here. Don't make it too thin or too thick. A 1/4 inch would be fine. Now get my pan ready. No oil needed. Turn it into medium heat. Keep checking it. When it turns a little bit brown, time to flip it. Wow, it looks so good. Yummy. Turn it down to low heat and cover it for 2 minutes. Pour some oil at the edge and move the pancake like this so the oil can get all over the pancake. This will make the outside of the pancake very crunchy. Now flip it one more time so the other side is crunchy too. It's ready to serve. You got to hear that. So crunchy, right? And it looks so good. I can't wait. See the multiple layers inside? Crunchy outside, but very soft and delicious inside. So yummy. You know what? It even tastes better than the one we got from the restaurant. I'm so glad that I can make good use of my bread machine. If you like what I show you today, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy your weekend and see you next week.